In Alteryx, predictive analysis can be done in various ways, using built-in tools, integration with statistical programming languages, and custom models. Alteryx provides a suite of drag-and-drop tools. These are R-based predictive tools for tasks like regression or classification, clustering, or time series forecasting. Here you're seeing the predictive tool palette. You also have the time series tools, as well as predictive grouping. In addition to these predictive tools, Alteryx also gives more advanced users or data scientists the ability to use an R tool. The R tool is part of the developer tool palette and allows for users to do custom model creation, transformations, and statistical testing, which adds even more flexibility for those familiar with R programming.